Good morning, everyone. My name is PRAJNA GAJANAN ACHARI, first year CSBS. Startup company name is Tech10 Innovations. Product present name is Robot. Product proposed name is Luna. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity, human emotions and security surveillance. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of the customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Robot and futuristic product name is Luna. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. AI enabled speech recognition, AI algorithm for human emotions, sensor for human touch. In the prototype stage, the real working model has been manufactured and the sketch is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to the satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.